Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. तो आज की वीडियो है रैंडम Amazon must have that every girl should have. So without any further ado guys, let's get into the video. So सबसे पहला प्रोडक्ट है this stain off remover. So we all know the struggle of dropping food on our clothes, especially जब हम बाहर होते हैं like for a restaurant या फिर कुछ भी, and we do not know how to get rid of it. Then this is going to be your best friend guys. This is a stain off fabric stain remover. This will remove like literally anything. इसमें लिखा है पान गुटका, mud curry, blood, ketchup, sauce, tea, coffee, everything. So this will help you remove that. So basically ऐसे पैकेजिंग में ये आता है. The bottle that it comes with, this has a very strong smell. So I feel like ये बहुत थोड़ा weird हो सकता है for a lot of people to smell. But this removes the stain very easily. Apply this on the area जहाँ पे stain लगा है. Rub it for good 5 minutes and just leave it for 10 minutes. उसके बाद उसको पानी से वॉश कर लो and throw it in your washing machine and after that you can see वो stain वहाँ से गायब हो जाएगा. This is just for ₹60 या फिर 70 and like something like this that will go on for a very long time. ये बहुत बड़ी बॉटल है. This is for 50 ml and this will not get finished. So I feel like ये अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट है. If you drop a lot of things on your clothes, you're very clumsy while eating, I feel like this is going to be your best friend and you can carry this everywhere. The next must have that every girl should have in their bag is a paper soap. Now we all know जब हम स्कूल में हुआ करते थे paper soaps were like the elite thing. We used to get paper soaps and think that we are the coolest kid in the world. But now this has to be a necessity for every girl क्योंकि whenever we go to washrooms and especially public washrooms पे कभी कभार soaps नहीं होते हैं. So this one is very easy. It's a paper soap and this comes with good 20 papers, like 20 sheets of paper soap. इसमें से एक sheet निकालो. This is a proper soap. इसको जैसे पानी में मिलाओगे, this will get dissolved into paper. Apply it and throw it. This is that easy and you have a good soap in your bag all the time. Especially if you're traveling like road से you're going for a road trip and everything and बीच में जो ढाबे वगैरह आते हैं वहाँ पे you do not get any soap. सिर्फ पानी होता है. So using a paper soap will really help you. This is only for ₹55 and this comes with 20 sheets in it. So like sorted for those travel days and perfect for every girl. Next up is another a major must have and that is a wax stick. Now this is for all the girls जिनके बहुत baby hair हैं and you want to tame it down. So for the longest time हमको नहीं पता था कि wax stick क्या होती है. In the US and everywhere internationally everybody knew this since day one. But now India में a lot of people are getting to know कि wax stick क्या है and how it will help you. So basically it's a stick, ठीक है, like that. इसकी जिसका pusher होता है, you need to just push it. मेरी थोड़ी गंदी हो रही है, of course, for obvious reasons. So I just do it like that. मैंने अभी भी यही किया है to my hair before filming this video. So if you like, just like tame your hair and आपके सारे बाल पीछे चले जाएंगे. Just like that. I know a lot of girls will relate to this कि ये नीचे जो बाल होते हैं ना ये कभी भी नहीं हटते हैं. Like they do not stick, but this will help you stick it and सारे बाल आपके ऊपर हो जाएंगे. This is that easy and it is very affordable on Amazon. Now this one guys is a must have. ये मैंने I think इस ईयर के स्टार्टिंग में ली थी and अभी तक ये खत्म भी नहीं हुई है. So I feel like अगर आपके बहुत greasy hair रहते हैं, you have oily hair issues, then this is going to be the bestest thing for you क्योंकि आपके सारे baby hair एक बार में tame down हो जाएंगे and if you go to college or office, you can easily carry this in your bag, go to the washroom, touch up again and come back. So this is a very important must have. The next must have has to be this. This is a mouth spray especially for जब हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं restaurants वगैरह में या cafes वगैरह में and you're out with your friends or even your colleagues, so you want to smell really nice at all times. So if you're having something that is super garlicky या फिर जो super आपके like breath में से smell आ सकती है उसके लिए ये best है. Colgate का Ved Shakti mouth protecting spray. This also kills germs. So basically it's a spray and you can do like it is very minty fresh and इसका बहुत strong like flavor नहीं है, so you can easily spray it and you have that fresh breath. Literally feels like मैंने अभी brush किया है and I am very fresh from the mouth. So I feel like a very good thing to carry on again for your travels. Also it's really good especially if you're going out with your colleagues या फिर your friends and you don't want to smell really bad, then I feel like this is really good. Another random product but this can be really handy. Next let's talk about a thing that comes every month and gives us the most pain and that is of course our periods. So to tackle that pain I am literally using this every single time and that is the Nua का Cramp Comfort. Now this is a self-heating patch जो आपको अपनी अंडरवेयर में लगाना होता है on the outer side not the inner side. This has a sticky thing in it, तो उसको remove करके you apply it on the outer part of your underwear and this will give you like up to 6 to 8 hours of heat. You know you have a long day ahead, you have your period and you want to carry that hot water bottle, but again that's very big to carry and you cannot carry it to your office or college. And this thing is literally your bestie, so you have to get this right now. If you have not tried Nuvoca Cramp Comfort, this is literally the best. I have tried बाकी brands के भी heat patches, but I always come back to this one क्योंकि ये सबसे लंबा last करता है मुझे and gives that warmth that is really required at those days, especially in your first and second day of period. I feel like this is going to be like your best snuggle buddy. So you have to get this right now. If you have not tried Nuvoca Cramp Comfort, you're missing out. The next must have is for every other girl who suffers from facial hair a lot, and that is using a facial hair remover. This is the Braun ka facial hair remover. If you don't want to go to parlors and get your eyebrows done, then you can easily get it done घर पे using this. You can hear इसमें एक torch भी होती है like that, as you can see. So you can easily detect कि आपको कहाँ पे अपने फेशियल हेयर हटाने हैं. इससे मैं इजीली अपनी अपर लिप पूरी क्लीन कर लेती हूँ एंड ऑल्सो द मिडिल पार्ट ऑफ माई आईब्रो, क्योंकि सबसे पहले बाल यहाँ पे बहुत आते हैं. So this is very easy to remove that and you are good to go. So I feel like ये बहुत अच्छा must have है. This is also available on sale on Amazon. So definitely grab your hands on this one. Last is a very fun thing and that is these card games. These are all drunk card games for your awesome parties. This basically has a deck of cards जिसमें बहुत सारे dares लिखे हैं, especially for your drinking parties. You just take out one dare and you have to answer it with everybody in the party. So I feel like a very good party must have. अगर आपके पास नहीं है ऐसा कुछ and you want to spice up your parties, or even I've played this with my friends in like a restaurant. So a lot of restaurants won't even say कि आप नहीं खेल सकते, ये बहुत easily खेल सकते हो आप. If you cannot complete your dare, you have to take a sip of your drink. Like everybody has to take a sip of their drink, and this is a very fun game. A lot of times people get tipsy, and that is why this card game is invented. This is for 15 plus people only, and for all the girls who are above 15, they can definitely play this game. This is very good and very fun thing to add in your parties. And with that, guys, we come to an end to this video. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I really hope that you found some amazing gems. सबके links होंगे in the description box below, so do check it out before you exit this video. And yeah, if you like the video, you know what you have to do: like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home.